Hi everyone, I just came back from Asian store, so I'm gonna do some grocery haul. Asian food. I have cassava, grated cassava, $2.99 each, so I have 3, and I also got 4 dumplings, egg rolls wrappers or lumpia wrapper, $1.99. I get 4. I also got dried fish. It's $4.69, so I got 3 packs. I have eggplant here, bok choy. I got 3. Fish, frozen fish. Another one, mackerel one. I also bought pork belly, thin slice, so I got 2 here. This is $5.70 and $7 something. I also got bitsu, a Filipino bread, okra, another one, guava, and tiny onions. I get some pancit or lumin, another one, instant noodles, pancit canton, another pancit canton, coconut powder. I have 4 of this. Another pancit canton, instant noodles, pancit canton. I have liquid seasoning. I got 2 of this. I have oyster sauce. I have also 2. Selber's 1 soy sauce. Rice noodles or vermicelli noodles. I got 3 of this. I have sardines, different kind of sardines. So I have 4 of these Niga sardines. I got 2 Ligo sardines, fried, spicy, 2. I get also the sardines, fried, and 1 Miga sardine, another Miga sardines, and green. I have only 2 greens. This is the only 2 remaining there, so I got it. Natalie Coco, na ako 2. Bagoong or ginamos, fish sauce, nor seasoning, but this is kinda like chili, and 6 of coconut milk because it's on sale.